In BrandBaser, we have added new thing called brand kits. The way a brand kit works is it takes your brand-based document where you answered the 20 questions and you attach that to a brand kit that will create a theme and typography for your website. So let's take a look at this sample one here I made for Scale Plus. As you can see, we've got all of our colors, we have our typography, we have all the brand-based information about our company. This is going to make AI give us great output, and it even shows us what a sample website would look like. Now, I can export those assets. If I just want the style guide, I can do that. If I just want the brand-based document, I can do that. I can combine them. And if I want all of these and everything all included, I can download a zip file. All right, so let's create one and see how that works. So we're going to click Create Brand Kit. I'm going to call this Affiliate Pages, and I'm going to now attach a brand-based document to that. And I've already created my one here for Affiliate Pages. Now, I want to show you a couple of ways that you can do it. Obviously, we have ways to do custom, and we have pre-built professional direct response. We'll show those in just a minute. But let's go to Affiliate Pages. I'm going to actually take this URL like this, and I'm just going to come over to here to URL, and I'm going to paste that URL and click Analyze. And what it's going to do, it's going to go to that website and look at the source code and find out what the fonts are and what the colors of that website are. And look at that, just like that, I got the theme taken down from that website. And it found the typography, and these are the fonts that were used there, and these are the colors that were used on that website. Another way that we could do it is I can go to the bottom of the website. I can take a screenshot of this right here, just like this, right? And I can take that screenshot, and now I can come over to here and I can do from screenshot, from image, and I can just take that screenshot and I can drag it over to here like this, and it's going to analyze that way from the screenshot. And in 3, 2, 1, boom, we're going to get all of the interpretations of the fonts and the colors from that screenshot. Just like that, this is what it determined came from that screenshot, and it comes up with the fonts that it recognized and the themes from that screenshot. So if we actually pull that screenshot over, you can actually see, look at that color pink, the red, the dark purple, the blue, the black, and you can see all of those colors were found there, right? Now, other things that you can do is you could look from the library, okay? And in the library, you can add something to your favorites like this, and then it'll show up in your favorites, just like that. I'm going to remove that. We'll go back to the all, and we have the ability for you to look at professional ones. So let's just look at Tech Launch, right? And look at the preview there. And if you're in health and wellness, and you may say, yeah, but my brand is not that much green. Well, in any of these, you can drill down a little bit more, and you can modify this theme by putting in your own colors here. We have a nice color picker and everything for you. And if you want to just go custom, you can build an entire custom theme. And again, let's just go with one. I'm going to go with a direct response one. We'll take this webinar blueprint. We've got all the information. We click save, and there we go. I got my full brand kit that was created either by our URL, a screenshot of one of our templates, and I can export all of the assets, and I'm done. This brand kit that we have here, let's take a look at the style guide here. Let's open that up in the Finder and click on it right here. And so now we have the style guide. And if you take that style guide and you combine it with the visual elements and your 20 questions, and you give that to AI, I'm telling you, whether it's ChatGPT projects or Claude or Gemini Gems, or especially with our projects like Click Campaigns or BrandBaser or the new coming soon Groove Pages AI, which is kind of like Lovable but built by Groove, where it will know your brand, so it won't write lorem ipsum copy. It will actually give you all of your output for your brand with your colors, whether you're creating a freemium report or a website or a funnel, a thank you page, you name it. This is going to light up Click Campaigns, Scale GPTs, High Ticket GPTs, BrandBaser, and of course, all of your other AI projects that you have in the coming soon Groove Pages AI. So I hope you liked this update that we gave you for the all new and improved BrandBaser